Hello guys, how are you? How are you, my small YouTube family? Hope you are good. May Allah Almighty give you health, wealth, and success in every field of life. Today I brought for you very beautiful and trending box braid hairstyles. Box braid hairstyles are very famous nowadays. It is very famous hairstyle for African people and African diaspora. In this hairstyle, hairs are divided into box shapes. It is a protective hairstyle that protects your hair from damaging. It looks very amazing and hair dyes looks very cute. So I hope you like this video. If you like my video, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video reach to you. Thank you so much and let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Bye bye.